France is a land of rich diversity where industries like agriculture, tourism, wine, energy, manufacturing, transport, technology thrive amidst varied terrains and challenges. Meet EDDY Pump, a game changer in France's industrial landscape. It offers cutting-edge solutions to elevate critical sectors. EDDY Pump's range of products, from submersible slurry pumps to self-priming pumps, is tailored to meet France's unique needs and address challenges across industries. With diverse landscapes come diverse challenges. EDDY Pump tackles soil erosion in vineyards, coastal silting, infrastructure maintenance, and more. With strategic locations across Lyon, Marseilles, Paris, and Nice, EDDY Pump is ready to serve France's industries with efficiency and precision. Choose EDDY Pump for sustainable solutions, fostering industrial growth and prosperity across France. EDDY Pump, your partner in overcoming France's industrial challenges. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.